Powerhouse Media Crew.
And today we'll be trying Moonstar Grill.
In front of us we have kimchi, wonton soup, white rice, cumin beef, and chicken lo mein that we'll be trying today.
First, we'll be trying the kimchi.
Yeah, it has it's a strong kick at first. Yeah, that's a little. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
I personally give the kimchi just a 6 out of 10.
I give the kimchi a 7 out of 10. It was really good.
I give the kimchi a 6 out of 10. It kind of had a kick to it, and I don't know, it just didn't really taste like cabbage, but I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Next, we'll be trying the wonton soup.
I personally give the wonton soup probably like a 7 out of 10. Tastes like soft dumpling.
I also give the wonton soup a 7 out of 10. It could have a little more salt, but it was really good.
I give the wonton soup 8 out of 10. I like the broth in it and the overall like the flavor. And now we'll be trying the cumin beef with the white rice.
It tastes like Shaw's halal food.
I don't know if it's the kimchi aftertaste or is the beef. Oh my god.
It's not, it's really not that spicy.
It was spicy something I ordered, man.
We only ordered 2. I would rate the cumin beef and the white rice 9 out of 10. The cumin beef had a lot of flavor. It didn't have that much spice, but it had good flavor to it for the little amount of spice it had.
I give the cumin beef an 8 out of 10. It was great.
I give the cumin beef a 7.5 out of 10. Technically, because it was spicy, I'm not gonna lie, for me. At least. Next, we'll be trying chicken lo mein.
Overall, I'll give the chicken lo mein 9 out of 10. It had a lot of good flavor, and I think it really paired well with the duck sauce I added onto it.
I give the chicken lo mein a 10 out of 10. It was perfect, well seasoned, beautiful, chef's kiss.
I give the chicken lo mein a 10 out of 10. The lo mein with the chicken is exquisite.
Lastly, we'll be trying chocolate fried ice cream.
Yeah, what the?
Okay, this is new.
Yeah, hold on.
Overall, I rate the fried ice cream a 8 out of 10. I think I like the flavor a lot. The doughy batter, it threw me off a bit at first, but I still ended up liking it overall.
I give the chocolate fried ice cream a 6 out of 10. it was weird. Yeah.
I give the chocolate fried ice cream a 5 out of 10. I don't know if it's because the dough's melted or it's melted as a whole, but it got a weird taste. I'm not gonna lie.
Overall, I rate Moonstar Grill about an 8.5 out of 10. I think most of the dishes exceeded in flavor, and it had a very good impact. And overall, I think for my first time trying it, I very much liked it.
I give Moonstar Grill a 7 out of 10. They could have been more generous with their seasonings, but everything was good, especially the chicken lo mein.
Personally, I give Moonstar 6 out of 10. I didn't really like what 2 of the dishes because they were mainly spicy, at least for me. But the other 2 dishes were fine. They were great.